Because Fisher Investments is a fiduciary, the highest standard for a financial advisor, it means we're there for our clients and always put their interests first.
So wait, you do it because you have to?
No, we do it because it's the right thing to do. Our clients trust us with their retirement savings, and we know how important that responsibility is. So we take the time to really get to know them.
Get to know them how?
We make sure we understand their unique goals, finances, health, family, and lifestyle, so we can tailor their portfolio to their specific needs. Our goal is to help them achieve a comfortable retirement.
Sounds like a big responsibility. You must make big commissions then, right?
No, we don't sell commission-based products. We have one single transparent fee that's structured so we do better when our clients do better. Visit FisherInvestments.com to find out why investors like you are switching to us. Fisher Investments, clearly different money management.
Investing in securities involves the risk of loss.
As Russia's army tries to take cities in eastern Ukraine, its navy is taking part in new war games along with China and Iran.
The exercises labeled Security Ball 2023 are scheduled for the next 5 days, amid global tensions between the U.S. and China over a range of issues, including Beijing's refusal to criticize Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine and continuing support for the Russian economy. The three participating countries held similar drills last year, underscoring China's growing military and political links with nations largely shunned by the U.S. Tom Rivers, ABC News at the Foreign Desk.
T-Mobile is buying up the mobile phone company partly owned by actor Ryan Reynolds. The deal to acquire Mint Mobile worth over $1.3 billion. And TV's most famous soccer coach is back for another season.
Ted Lasso star and co-creator Jason Sudeikis tells me he never expected the show to be this well received, but he loves the love from the fans.
It's great because I get called coach all the time, which was always something that I just love. You know, it's like, hey coach, you know, like I don't mind it, you know.
Anyone from the Sun sees that reaction now out in public.
It's like, love the show.
Yeah, a lot of the shows about fathers and sons. Brendan Hunt, aka Coach Beard, said season 3 focuses on Ted leading his son back in the States while he coaches soccer in England.
And it's something Ted will continue progressing. What's going on back home while he's not there?
A new episode of Ted Lasso out today on Apple TV+. Jason Nathanson, ABC News.
This is ABC News.
Live and local from our studios in Santa Rosa, this is Sonoma County's Morning News on Marconi Award-winning KSRO.
Good morning. It is 8:04. Today is Wednesday, March 15th. I'm Michelle Marquez.
And I'm Larry Olson, the NHC producer of Editor Jeff Woodward.
So, Larry, did you get to catch up and watch the end of The Last of Us?
You know, I'm not the hugest Last of Us fan. Sorry, we're done now? The season's over?
The season is over, but of course there is a second season, and I guess it will be based on the second version of the game. And what I have heard is that the second version of the game is not as well liked as the first one. So I thought it was going to get spicy. It's going to get spicy. I don't want to spoil it for myself, so don't. Here are the top stories. There will be a series of flood control releases from Lake Sonoma beginning today.
More students have been arrested for bringing knives to school in Santa Rosa.
And a van filled with garbage bags of weed exploded in Santa Rosa.
Coming up in sports, the Warriors try to right their road woes in LA tonight, taking on the Knicks at 7 o'clock right here on KSRO.
It is 8:05 at KSRO. Paul Maxwell has the latest on your commute.
Thanks, Michelle. And this traffic report is sponsored by AirTeam.com. So slow going continuing. Several exits in those which is Holland and 19 stretches down Baker northbound. That is slow. Southwest Avenue. South 101 also slow slow. Continuing down to Aspen City. If Gold Canada calls are turning into hot hiring leads, indeed. This means powerful hiring platform makes it easy to track, screen, and interview candidates all over the place. X-ray hires D.com/recruitment. Your next update at 8:15. Happens to know the most accurate with the forecast. Here's Daniel Truseau.
You guys know that you can just watch long playthroughs of The Last of Us
I know,
Part
but-
2 online, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to because Pedro Pascal isn't.
Anyway, we do have sunny skies for today at a high of 63, 54 along the coast. Wind speeds are light, up to 20 miles an hour. Mostly clear skies for tonight, low 36. Similar for tomorrow, could see some light rain for the weekend.
Over half of California is under a local state of emergency due to the recent atmospheric river. California Office of Emergency said 40 of the state's 58 counties have declared a state of emergency. It is the 11th atmospheric river to hit the state this year. It caused heavy rain, strong winds, and flooding yesterday. The office is coordinating the emergency response with the National Guard, CHP, CAL FIRE, and other state agencies.
A series of planned flood control releases from Lake Sonoma will start today. First such releases in nearly 4 years. On Tuesday afternoon, Lake Sonoma was nearly 119% of its seasonal water supply following a winter full of major rainstorms. High flow releases will begin this morning with the reservoir's Warm Springs Dam. It's out to make space for more storm runoff and maintain the lake's capacity for flood control during the weeks ahead.
2 more students have been arrested on suspicion of bringing knives to schools in Santa Rosa. Both incidents happened Tuesday. A 14-year-old boy was arrested at Slater Middle School, and a 15-year-old boy was arrested at Elsie Allen High School. Investigators haven't said why either student brought a knife to school. Today marks 2 weeks since a student was stabbed to death with a knife during a fight on the campus at Montgomery High School. 2 other Montgomery High students were arrested on suspicion of bringing knives on campus last Friday.
A van that was packed with garbage bags full of weed exploded in Santa Rosa. Tuesday morning, an explosion was heard on the South 111 ramp on 3rd Street. Firefighters responded and managed to put out the fire. Inside the van, crews found several 55-gallon trash bags full of marijuana, shake, soaked cocaine. Firefighters worked with the police on the investigation and ensured any additional hazards were mitigated. The driver was treated for burn injuries and taken to the local hospital. One ramp was closed for several hours.
So, Larry, with this incident, it was posted on the Sonoma County scanner page with some pictures, and you have to imagine what happened in the comment section. It was quite amusing. Lots of Cheech and Chong references. Oh my goodness. A new California bill would force teachers, counselors, and other school employees to notify parents if a student identifies as publicly transgender. The bill author is Republican Assemblyman Bill S.A. Lee of Riverside. It would require school employees to notify parents within 3 days if they learn that a student is publicly identifying as transgender. The notification would be triggered if the student participates in gender-segregated sports or opts to use bathroom facilities for a gender other than the one appearing on their birth certificate. Trans advocates call it part of culture war attacks, but Assemblyman S.A. Lee argues that this is a way for parents to get involved in their child's well-being.
California demanding pharmacies clarify their plans to sell abortion medication. Governor Newsom and 13 other state leaders sent a letter to CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, Safeway, Kroger, Costco, and Health Mart. They want the companies to explain how they'll safeguard access to reproductive health care. Governors urge decisions to be made based on science, medical evidence, and the well-being of patients, not politics or litigation threats. Walgreens has already said it will not sell abortion pills in 20 GOP-led states.
It is 8:10 now at KSRO.
Austin here from More Home Services, and I want to tell you how you can virtually eliminate any and all airborne particles that might be aggravating breathing problems from asthma, bronchitis, allergies, and the like. It's called an air scrubber, and it's a device that connects to your existing heating and cooling system, and like its name suggests, it scrubs pollutants out of the air that are circulating in your home. It uses a high-intensity UV lamp to kill viruses, bacteria, and mold, and safe oxidizers that attach themselves to any smoke, chemicals, gases, or odors, and neutralizes them as they pass through the air scrubber. It's super safe and affordable, and can help you and your family breathe easier. Right now, we're offering an amazing 10% discount on all air scrubbers and installation. It will never be more affordable than now. For more information or to book an appointment, call More Home Services at 707-505-8000, or you can find us online at morehomeservices.com.
Edward Fillion and the team at the Center for Spiritual Living continues to create a world that works for everyone. The Center for Spiritual Living in Santa Rosa invites you back with 2 identical in-person services each Sunday at 9 and 11. From 10 to 11, visit the art show and Stepping Stones Books and Gifts. You can also view services on the website, Facebook, and YouTube. Go to cslsr.org for more information and updates. Attend Wednesday evening meditations from home via Zoom. Take advantage of the telephone prayer ministry, access videos of Sunday messages, and resources like the online affirmative prayer library website covering a variety of subjects. That's cslsr.org. On behalf of Edward Fillion and the staff, we are immensely grateful for the dozens of individuals and teams working to keep us connected and on our spiritual path as we study, pray, love, support, and serve together. Listen to Spiritual Living with Edward Fillion, Sundays at 8:30 a.m. right here on KSRO.
It is 8:12 at KSRO, and time for a look at financial news with Steve Reuter at Merrill Lynch. And Steve, it's been a rough day on the markets. Can you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, it has been a very hectic day. Perhaps we're starting to calm down a bit here, but it all continues to evolve around the banking crisis. Credit Suisse now rumored to have issues as their primary backstop some of the banks, so they can no longer add any additional funds to the bank. That stock does not trade here. There's no ADR, but it has roiled the banking sector again here this morning. Right now, the Dow up 474 points at 31,000.